just came to say hello.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here's another concept using one of the Dollar Tree Valentine baskets. Here we have our head wrap. And I had these bags that rolled over from Mother's Day. And I placed the candy apple hand mask in there with the pair of socks, our Dove hand cream. I put the Ferrero Rochers on the sides here. There's a wallet there. Our candy bouquet. Our journal is in the back there with our pen. And one of our smart cups. And then on the back of this, I placed a wall hanger from Dollar Tree, just to give it a little decor on the back. And there's the other Ferrero Rocher, and I placed one on each side. Tried not to go too heavy with the candy on this.
I think it went out full.
And I think this gift has turned out really cute. There's our little hanger there that says, "Be My Valentine." And this is another one that I placed in shrink wrap. And then I placed a bow on top of it. And it turned out really cute. So this is going to be a nice Valentine's gift on the affordable side. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But more importantly, y'all, be a blessing. Bye-bye.
I just came to say hello.